Hi everyone, I'm Amy Chan, the Assistant Group Director of Spa and Wellness. Today I'm going to show you a few tips on how to ease tension at home with the Chuan Signature Self-Massage. These traditional Chinese medicine techniques will help to heal the body and relax the mind. Press on the following meridian points with your thumb and circle 10 times. Press Nei Huan and circle around. Location: inside of the wrist, 2 fingers width above from the wrist. Benefits: relieve chest discomfort, nausea, and help insomnia. Press He Gu and circle around. Location: between the bones at the arch of the hand. Benefits: clear nasal congestion, ease headache, and reduce sore throat. Press Ju San Li and circle around. Location: 3 fingers width below the outside kneecap at the first indentation. Benefits: relieve abdominal discomfort and lower leg stiffness. Press San Yin Jiao and circle around. Location: inside of the leg, 4 fingers above the ankles in the middle. Benefits: reduce abdominal discomfort and helps insomnia. If you are pregnant, please avoid this meridian point. These techniques can be done anytime during the day, and the preferred time will be in the evening. Take good care of yourself, and we'll see you soon.